This is where the fresh water goes in this tank. Fill that tank up and then reattach it to the waste tank. Cap back on. Here's the waste tank. So when you empty the waste, you'll take this lid off. It has a great carrying handle. You're at like a campground and you're off grid and you need to go take it to the dump station. You just take it over there like that, take this lid off and dump it. This is the bottom part. Let's reattach the top. You're gonna line that up and then clamp these down. And you're ready to go. It's even easy to carry 2 handles. Flush, you pull this up and push it down. And then this is how you open it up to let the water drain out. Off-grid potty. Take it wherever you need to go. It's very sturdy due to the water. It's not going to tip over.